Hello, Kenny Sharp here with Quality Plus watch bands, and today this video is going to show you how to remove and install a new band on your Google Pixel watch. Take your watch and you'll notice right here on the edge there's a little button looking thing. Push that button and the adapter slides out to the side. Same on this side. You'll see that little button. Push it and it releases. So to install a new band, you take it and you set it right on top of that button and slide it to the side. And it locks in place. Do the other side. It locks in place. Now you have a new watch band for your Google Pixel. Thank you, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.